Bravo! The Bishop's Cup is back. Ngwo League is to keep the memory of Ngwo Principal Christopher Ono for his philanthropical gesture for education during his lifetime. That is why Reverend Dr. Onyeka and Ochora Nneka Onya find it worthy to immortalize the good work of their father and father-in-law through Ngwo Memorial Football Competition. 2024 edition was kicked off on 1st October 2024. Venue Ishi Obodo Fair, Opojo Ngwo. Few years ago, this has brought massive development and talent discovery, and we say kudos to the Bishop of Nike Diocese, Right Reverend Dr. Onyeka and Ochora Nneka Onya. Their kind gesture to their community. Ngwo. Nnukwu onye isi nchụaja na Ochora. Dejenu.
And monitor the set of very well Messi. He could not allow him to control the ball. Finally, he kicked it immediately from his leg and did a drain in favor of Etiti. What is that here? That's a Bamacha. Okay, there's a corner kick. That's a corner kick. Etiti strikers are pushing Amachara, and they are just trying to see if they can be able to secure a winning. Picking the first two points in this competition. 2024 Bishop's Cup. He's going to take it and do that. Coming up, even on your wonderful one. Oh, yes, I'm coming up. Is it a goal? Hey! The goalkeeper is very firm on it. He collected it. The goalkeeper collected it. That's a wonderful one that they have heard about. 2 shots on target, 1 goal. And how much are 1 shot off target? 1 shot off target. That's the statistics and the stats. Goalkeeper of a TV community, and I can see a player of Amaja complaining that the boy has gone to corner kick. The referee saw exactly what transpired. Badly within the midfield. That's a good one. The player was going there. Who's going there? What is it? Okay, by Mikel. Okay, he's still in charge of the ball. Full control of the ball. That's one of the best attitude of a midfielder. Full control. What's going to happen? What is it? It is a goal! It is a goal! It is a goal! 81! Amateur 0. For the meantime, it is leading with 1 goal. I want to give 1 big bravo to the coach, Honorable Obilanya. The coach of the community, a wonderful young man with humility, with so much humility. Obilanya is the coach of the community. He's doing a wonderful job in the community. Last season, Titi were finding it difficult to convert even a single opportunity. But this time around, they are 1 goal advantage against Amachara. All right, what is it going to be, a goal kick? Ladies and gentlemen, Etiti 1, Amachara 0. What do you have to say, my man?
Thank you, my co-commentator. That was a beautiful goal there. That was a loose ball. That was a loose ball there, ladies and gentlemen. I was expecting Amachara guy that defender to clear the ball, but unfortunately he missed the ball. That they did ball, floated the ball into the net, for the back of the net, for goal number 1 for Etiti. Back to you, my co-commentator.
All right, thank you very much. Dr. Linus, thank you very much. The goalkeeper have taken it out, and unfortunately, it was so close to the opposition side. They are still battling with the ball there, within the corner kick. Okay, the referee had a whistle. It's going to be an infringement, a free kick against the TT.
My name is Onyedika Ono. An engineer, and I'm representing Bishop Dr. Onyeka Chionya today in the Bishop's Cup. The Bishop's Cup is the cup we brought out in remembrance of my father, who is his in-law, who impacted a lot of positive in the life of a lot of people in this community in Ngwo. So the Bishop saw football as a uniting factor in the world, And so he brought it, and then it's named after my father. He did his own in education, and there's a very thin line between education and sports. So that is it. That is me, and that is why I'm here today.
What do you think that?
So, ball na about the individual tournament this year. So, I'm very happy. That's the open damage. This is the tournament. I've been more match. So, I think I'm very happy. For now, Kamala, no matter how the year match I won, that actually and can lose you for China match. So, I'm going to be very happy. I'm happy. You know where you hold the happiness. The people crowd match. Very happy over the big footballer. Very happy. You are the motor number one. Only happiness. Only at least an corporate unity among village. So, Kamala Bobon in the Kama, it is damage. I will come up with a bond. Only at least one day corporate one village to the other. You so, you know, you won't say Sana, why I'm going to come and do it. You won't so. No, they won't so. You know, you won't open a yard. Very happy. Then you would almost one good enjoyment nothing here. And then they live my and they live Britain. I use the opportunity. Market and I got one. So when you have most of the Ulu, I didn't care. And at least from this, you will care for the choose when you keep the World Cup. Somebody from Ngwo will care. What join us on the
My name is Aguchi Dubem, popularly known as Benchichi, captain of the Ngwo team. The benefit of this Bishop's Cup that we are playing here is to harness talents, the younger ones in this grassroots level for the bigger picture. And I commend the Bishop for everything that he's doing, because as you can see now, football is not a lucrative business. So he's trying to harness talents that will go to that will explore themselves in the bigger world of football and sports in general. So I think he's doing a great job here, and if you look out, you can see that there are a lot of talents here showing their talents, their skills to make sure they get to the top, and hopefully they will. So we give credits to the Bishop a lot. We say thank you.
From our people now, and on my field, my own village, my own town, go from here, Baje Wote, eligible player. From here, Baje Wote, but the reason why you have the ego, Chicago, from here, I got top player. Because the player now is ego. The player is ego. You can go a player or take over many places. I will look at ball, we're looking at. Yes.
The tournament is known as the principal Memorial Ngwo Football Competition, aka Ngwo League Bishop's Cup. Yeah, the commendation can't even emphasize, because he like resurrected happiness in the community. For the past, this is the 4th edition. We began in 2001. It was his brainchild to like give a posthumous legacy to his father-in-law. His father-in-law was a great man. He's a Christopher Ono. He was a principal for decades, and ended up as a supervising principal for the whole state. So he impacted on so many lives, including the Bishop himself, and even myself. Yeah, the benefits are numerous. One Henry Onya from this tournament is playing for Rangers now. Last year we recorded 2 players that went to play overseas. This year, one Daniel, one boy Nnaji joined the club in Turkey from here. And the host of other benefits. And even outside football, commercial activities going on here. People are selling in huge amounts, and even some marriages have been consummated. So the benefits are too numerous to mention. But one tree cannot make a forest. If you see the fish now, it's in a state that requires some attention. That is one. Then the publicity And the extra benefits, like we need to sponsor highest goal scorer, best players, and the modern talents we are having here. We need to sponsor them to various clubs. So these are some of the attention we need from our industrial sons and numerous.